Hey guys, it's me Maria, and today I'm back with another video. So today I'm basically doing my first ever video. So in this channel I'm gonna be doing slime and all of that. Okay, so let's get started. First, I'm going to be telling you, I have this slime and how to fix a pretty hard slime. Okay. So, as you can see, this is not a really hard slime, but it is hard. Okay. So, all we're gonna need is some a little bit of shampoo. We'll be right back. Okay, guys. So I am back. I got two. You can use one cream, but I'm just gonna use two because I want it to be really stretchy and make it really soft. I'm just gonna use two. So next we have, and we're just gonna put these away for now. And I also got this shower gel. It's a clear one. You don't need to have a clear one, but I suggest it's good to have clear. So anyways, as you can see, it's not that stretchy, and it's kind of tough. When I do that, it just feels tough, and it's just a yes and a no because it can be fixed. So let's get started. Let's first use, oh, by the way, I'm using an olive cream, and I'm using a milk cream as well. So I'm first going to start with this olive green one. But I'm not going to put that much. Because it might deactivate. I'm going to just use these creams. I know I have used the shower gel before, as you can see, because as you can see, it's used. But I haven't used this cream to put it in slime, and I'm just gonna try it. Hopefully it doesn't deactivates, and it just helps. I guess it's helping just a little bit, but we're actually gonna add some more. Okay, that's enough for this cream, and we're now, because it's kind of used now. Now we're actually gonna use this milk one. I'm pretty scared with this. Hopefully it just doesn't deactivate, you know? Gonna put a little bit because it looks weird. Yeah. I'm just gonna put this. Oh no, the cream fell. Wow. So yeah. I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. I have got kind of all the cream in. It's a little bit stretchier, but as you can hear and see, a lot of the these I forgot what they're called. I forgot. I literally forgot. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So now I'm just gonna put like a lot more cream because I just need more cream. Well, that's a lot, and I think that's enough. Okay, that's really enough. That's extreme. Enough. Okay. Okay, so whoa. Whoa. This actually might deactivate. But I don't think so. Wow, it starts smelling like, I don't know, it just has a smell now. Oh, I'm sorry. Just listen to this. I mean, I don't really think so we still need a shampoo. Because I don't think so we're actually going to use it because, yeah. Whoa. It's actually stretching pretty good again. I know it's still really not the best, but it's pretty good. Okay, so now we're still gonna use the same cream, but we're just gonna use the green one this time because yeah. So I know I haven't showed my face, but I will. And our video was so yeah. But mostly this channel is gonna be about slime and all of that. And probably some sorry, that was loud. And probably some experiments and stuff like that. I'm not sure what I'm actually gonna post on this channel, but all I know, I'm gonna post about slime. So yeah. By the way, we're almost at the end of this video, so don't forget to give a like and subscribe. Hit those notifications. Hit the notification bell button to be a part of so subscribe and hit the notifications bell to become a member into the Nature Squad. It feels really good. It pokes, the poke. It's really good. And the balloons, are pretty good. I mean, it's before and after. Like, it's much better. Okay, so now we're just gonna put all the beads again back in. There you go. I'm gonna go get the other bead, but it's on the other side. So guys, that is kind of it for this video. So yeah, I'm gonna say this again, but don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Hit the bell button. So this week's shout out goes to Marina Yulia. And if you want to get a shout out, then give a like and subscribe and turn on notifications. And turn the bell button on. Just have that bell button on. Yeah. Bye. Have a nice day. Hope this video helped how to fix a hard slime. Bye.